Hello and welcome to another episode of DeFive, where we break down decentralized finance concepts in 5 minutes or less. I'm your host, DeFi Dawson, and today we're going to talk about DAOs and governance tokens. A DAO, that's a decentralized autonomous organization. A governance token, that's a token that allows you to help influence the direction of the DAO. Okay, lots of new words already. Let's break this down. A DAO. These decentralized organizations, you can think of this as a decentralized version of what you already know of as a corporation. There are a lot of differences between corporations and DAOs, mainly being that DAOs are much simpler. They're much smaller. At the moment, they may be larger in the amount of people that take part in it, but at the moment, as of January 2021, they are smaller in market cap, for instance. There is no DAO that is as large as Apple. There is no DAO that is as large as Microsoft. It's market cap. So what do these DAOs do? Well, they do anything. The same way we talked about how crypto has now decentralized finance, DeFi has now decentralized lending and borrowing, and many other decentralized protocols. What we're doing here is we're finally decentralizing organizations themselves. And you're able to influence the direction of these organizations through governance tokens. So let's give an example. One is Uni. This is the Uniswap protocol. Now, this is a decentralized exchange that is larger than Coinbase itself. And you can influence the direction of this through the Uni token. So you as an individual, whether it's publicly known or not, you can anonymously take part in voting. But the way this works is proposals become available, and you can go vote in these proposals with your tokens. So in the Uniswap example, if you have Uni tokens, you can take those tokens, stake them towards a certain voting proposal, and potentially influence the direction of that proposal, whether it gets passed or failed. Now, what are some things that you can change? Well, Uni is again a good example here because with Uni, you can influence the amount of fees that get paid out to the liquidity providers. Now, that was a lot of quick stuff right there. If you don't know what Uniswap is, how it works, and what a liquidity provider is, go ahead and check out my other video for that, and you'll start to understand how, as an anonymous individual, you can take part in this decentralized protocol and make some money back. Which, by the way, I've made over $10 now since that last video of what's been sitting there. It's been somewhere between 5 and 10% value gained in just about 3 months. So anyway, back to what we were saying. You could help influence so that there are more fees paid to you and all of the other liquidity providers, for instance. There's a million other things you can vote on. And that's the exciting future here. This is brand new. Folks haven't yet pushed this to its limits, and we don't yet know where DAOs can go. But in the next video, I'm going to chat about airdrops and how you can get started in governance itself as well. So if you want to see that, go ahead and smash like and subscribe. Thanks for checking out the video. Namaste.